I just received my package from SerialBagmakers in Belgium. I am in New Jersey, and I believe she shipped this Monday morning, and it's now Tuesday afternoon. That's incredible. I know I ordered a bunch of zippers, some snaps, and some oval rings, which is a new thing she's carrying because that is what I need for my new and upcoming pattern. And I just finished doing the videos for that pattern a little while ago. So now I have to just edit the video and get it posted, and then I can publish the pattern. So I did order some Woven Fix 2. So I really like this one with the smooth glue backing, and I like to have some black on hand. I do use this a lot for zipper facings, and I generally prefer to use the black woven interfacing for my zipper facings. Snaps. I need 4 sets of snaps for my new pattern, so definitely needed to stock up on that. And the zippers, I have some old silver, it's called old silver hardware, and I had ordered it a couple of years ago in bulk. And every time I want to use it, I realize all I have is antique brass zipper teeth. So I wanted to order something that would look better with that hardware, and this looks perfect. I believe this is the gunmetal zipper teeth. I also recently discovered that I love the rainbow zipper teeth with her antique gold zipper pulls. Here's an example that I had done by accident, just because I happened to notice that it was a nice color with it. So I have some gunmetal zipper pulls. Ooh, there's some fun new shapes in here that I don't have. Like this one. Hearts. That's nice. Oh, I really like these. These are great. And more zippers. I like color, but I also need some basic zippers. Oh, these are nice. These say made with love. And then the big bag, big Santa bag here. These corner protectors. I ordered these because I saw someone else had made my Toby Essential Sling pattern and had put these corner protectors on her version of it, and I thought it looked great, so I wanted to give that a try. I also saw these on the SerialBagmakers website and thought they looked really interesting. They are strap and strap connectors. So I believe that your strap actually goes in there and the raw edge will be covered. But then this also connects it to your bag, so it's a 2-in-1. So I definitely wanted to try that out. And some basic items that I always seem to be running out of: D-rings, rectangle rings in the matte black and antique gold. I usually use antique brass or rolled brass, but I have plenty of stock of those, but I didn't have enough of the antique gold and the matte black. So these strap connectors again. And here are the oval rings. I also wanted to try out this strap connector that she's carrying now. That looks really nice. Oh, and it's a hinged connector, so you can put it on a bag and it'll hinge down with the strap, so you won't have a strap that kind of sticks up. Got those in matte black and the bronze. More ovals. Ovals and D-rings. And ovals and these strap connector strap ends. Sorry, I don't remember what she calls it on her website, but that's really cool. All right, I'm excited to use all of this, and I'm excited to share my next pattern with everyone too. I suggest that you order some snaps, rivets, 1-inch oval rings, but the rectangle rings would work also. The D rings would also work. You would just put them on upside down, so your strap would come off this part of the D ring, and this part gets attached to the bag. And zippers. Hope you enjoyed watching this.